Hi guys, it's Shafi again and welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm gonna teach you how you can set up or create the Facebook Ads Manager account very quickly and very easy. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial that will be related to social media marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, and blogging. So before we get started, let me quickly recap. And after watching my last tutorial, now you know the difference between the Facebook Business Manager and the Facebook Ads Manager account. But for those who are new to this channel, let me introduce these two tools of the Facebook, like the Facebook Business Manager and the Facebook Ads Manager. So basically, the Facebook Business Manager is a place where you manage multiple things at one place. For example, in the Facebook Business Manager, you could have multiple Facebook Ads Manager accounts, multiple Facebook pages, multiple dynamic product catalogs, the Facebook pixels, and even multiple Instagram business accounts and WhatsApp accounts. So you can also give access to your employees to work on your Facebook Business Manager to manage all of these tools at one place. While on the flip side, the Facebook Ads Manager account is actually that tool, that individual tool from where you actually create and set up your Facebook or Instagram marketing campaigns, where you do the targeting, where the creatives, where you run the campaigns for your business. So you can add this Facebook Ads Manager account to the Facebook Business Manager. So in short, the Facebook Business Manager is a place where you can add multiple assets of the Facebook, like the catalogs, the ads accounts, the Facebook pixels, etc. And the Facebook Ads Manager is that real place or tool from where you actually run your Facebook or Instagram marketing campaign. So I hope the concept is clear now. So now let's talk about the Facebook Ads Manager account creation. And if you still don't understand the difference between the Facebook Business Manager and the Facebook Ads Manager account, you would better watch this tutorial right now. Today I will just teach you how you can find your Facebook Ads Manager and how to do few important settings. Well, you can find your Facebook Ads Manager directly from Google by just searching, the Facebook Ads Manager. This one, and the shortcut way is that when you're logged in your Facebook, and then on the left side, you can see the Facebook Ads Manager tab. So we're gonna click on it. This will redirect us to directly our Facebook Ads Manager. On this screen, you will see different ad accounts because I'm managing, different ad accounts for my clients. So I will show you my exact ad account. This is my account, and you can see there are a lot of other accounts of my clients, right? So but we will do the settings of this ad account. So on the left side, you're seeing a lot of things. The first one is to click on these 9 dots. You will see different tabs and things, insights, which we will explore in our next tutorial when we will be setting our Facebook Business Manager, right? Because Business Manager and Ad Manager are two different things. So today we are learning about Facebook Ads Manager. If I click on create button, so when I start building my campaign, so in the middle of the campaign setup, it will ask me for the account setup. So before Facebook asks us, we will do this directly from the settings tab. On the left side, you're seeing a gear icon. So we're going to click on this icon. it will take us to directly the settings page. So now you can see it says add account setup, right? There are two things. The first one is the business payment settings, where you can actually add your payment method, and when you can actually deactivate this account, and you will also add your business information and the currency that you want to run your ad account on. And on the right side we're seeing another tab, which is the add account rules, right? So this is where you can actually add people to your add account if you want to add those people directly to your add account. Otherwise, what we do, we actually add people to our Facebook business manager, and from there we give access to the concerned person. So this is one way you can add people to your ad account, and the other way I will teach you in the next tutorial when we will be learning about Facebook Business Manager. So let's click on Open Payment Settings. Now you can see at the top of the screen it says amount due. Once you add your payment method or your card and you run some kind of ads, so then your bill summary will be appearing on the under this tab, right? And you can see it says pay now button. So for now there is no dues, so it is not clickable. And if we just scroll down, we have another option which says add payment method. So we're going to click on this payment method to see what we can add actually. So this is where actually you can add your payment method or your card to your Facebook Ads Manager. So let's click on it. Now there are two ways you can add your payment to your ad account. The first one is debit or credit card, and the second one is the ad credit. Let's first explore the ad credit. What does it say? If we click on next, it says the credit code. Actually what happens, before you start advertising on your ad account, it doesn't matter if you are on Facebook or Google. So sometimes they provide a coupon codes, right? They provide actually some kind of credit which actually means that they want to encourage you to start advertising on their platform, right? So if you have any coupon codes from Facebook, then you can actually add this coupon code and click on next. This is the field where you can actually add your coupon code. If you don't have any coupon code and if you have not got any credit from your from Facebook, then just don't worry about it, just forget about it, right? And we will click on our actual payment settings. So it is already selected. We will click on next, and now this is the place where you can actually add your card. First you will need to add your card name, then the card number, then the expiry date, and then the CVV number. And once you have added all of these details, then you will click on save. So this is how simply you can actually add your payment method to your ad account. So the next thing is the business information. This is very important, and make sure you provide the correct details. So let's explore this. This is my business name. This is the street address. This is all about this is all my address, and it says billing country or region. I have selected my own country. You will select your own country. The most important things are these two things. The first one is the currency, and the second one is the time zone. If you select some other country's time zone, then all of your Facebook ad account reporting will be in that time zone, right? And if you select any other currency rather than your own, then you will need to pay in that currency to Facebook. So when you set up your Facebook ad account, make sure to correct the to select the correct currency and time zone. So these I have added all the dummy information. So but you will need to add your own genuine information to this tape. So let's close this one, and now let's explore. On the right side you can see your view payment activity, how AIDS billing works, so what to do if your payment fails, open help center, contact support. So it's very important and helpful as well, which will help you in case you have any problems, right? So let's go back and see how we can actually add people to our ad account. So as I said, there are two ways. The first one is to add people directly to your ad account, and the second way is to add people to this account through your Facebook Business Manager. So we will teach the second way of adding people to your ad account in our next tutorial, where we will be learning about Facebook Business Manager. So the first one is this one. When you click on add people, it will ask you to enter a friend. This is very important to bear in mind that the person you're going to add your ad account should be your friend on Facebook. If he's not friend with you on Facebook, you will not be able to find his name by entering into this field, right? So once you have selected his name, then on the right side you'll need to select his role. Right there actually a few rules. The first one is the account admin, which is very important, and you should not probably give everyone an admin level access. The second one is the ad account advertiser, and the third one is the ad account analyst. So you will need to select the rule as per your requirement, and once you're done with this, then you will need to confirm. For now, the confirm button is unclickable. It is because I have not added the correct name. So as I said, that person should be your friend on Facebook. Then you will be able to select his name in this field, and once you're done, then you will click on confirm button. This way you will be able to add the person to your ad account. So after these two settings, this first setting, you will be able to start advertising on your ad account. So once you're done, then you will click on this create button to actually build up your ad campaign. So this is how simply and quickly you can create your Facebook Ads Manager account. And in the next tutorial, I will teach you how you can set up the Facebook pixels and install the Facebook pixels on your website without any coding. It's gonna be very easy and very quickly. So if you enjoy this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well, so as to support this tutorial and help more and more people watch this tutorial on the platform. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.